Hey everyone, welcome back to Mara Design. Today I am going to show you how to create stunning 3D text using Adobe Illustrator. This is a great way to make your designs pop and add some depth to your typography. So let's dive right into it. First, let's open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. You can set your artboard to any size you prefer. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using a letter size. Next, I will select the type tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Click anywhere on the artboard and type out your text. I'm going to use design for this example. Now let's choose a font and increase the size of our text to make it more visible. I will use a bold sans serif font for a clean, modern look. You can adjust the font size from the character panel. With your text selected, it is time to apply the 3D effect. Go to the top menu and select Effect, 3D, Extrude and Bevel. This will open the 3D option dialog box. In the 3D option dialog box, you can adjust various settings to customize your 3D text. Let's start by setting the position to isometric top. This gives a nice, even perspective. You can also play around with the bevel setting to add more interesting edges to your text. Finally, let's add some lighting to give our 3D text some dimension. Under the lighting section, you can adjust the text and intensity of the light source. I will set the light to come from the top left and increase the intensity a bit. Once you're happy with your setting, click OK to apply the 3D text, and there you have it, a simple and effective 3D text in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more design tips and tutorials. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.